Stop boring thumbnails from killing your click-through rates and transform your videos with stunning visuals crafted in mere minutes using Midjourney. We're diving into the power of AI art generation to create eye-catching thumbnails that demand attention. First, let's craft a winning prompt. Think about your video content and your target audience. For a tech review, you might aim for something sleek and modern. Try incorporating keywords that describe the mood and style you want: cinematic lighting for drama, vibrant colors for energy, or minimalist for a clean look. Consider your composition. Is there a strong focal point? Use Midjourney's ability to place subjects centrally or off-center for a more dynamic feel. Think about the story your thumbnail tells. Does it hint at the video's benefit or a key element? We'll aim for a visual that sparks curiosity. For subjects like tutorials or how-tos, you might want to show a person reacting, perhaps with a visual metaphor in the background. Experiment with different styles by adding terms like illustration, photorealistic, abstract, or even referencing specific art movements like synthwave for retro vibes. Remember the purpose: to get clicks. Ensure key graphical elements are clear even at small sizes. Avoid overly busy or muddy compositions. By combining descriptive prompts with smart composition and style choices in Midjourney, you can create professional, click-worthy thumbnails that elevate your video's visibility and get you noticed.